Hands-on training refers to software training that involves a practical element, where the user is able to learn how to use the software by trying out for themselves in a controlled environment. This is more interactive and immersive, as well as being more helpful for trainees than video and screen share training methods. It's also great for customer education because it lets customers try out the software in real-world scenarios and get a better idea of how it works. Hands-on training gives the trainee the chance to actually use the software and learn by doing rather than by passively taking information on board through a webinar. It allows users to experience the interface firsthand and better understand how it works or how it can help them achieve their business goals. This way of learning about a system can even be more effective and lead to greater knowledge retention, especially for cloud training. The effectiveness of hands-on training for customer education. There's no better way to show off the hard work your dev team has been putting in than to actually have customers use your product's features for themselves. Hands-on training helps to solidify and showcase the true value of your software to your customers, not just as users but as ambassadors for your product. This technology allows, not just for your training, but also for hands-on sales demos to be done in controlled virtual environments. By starting the training process at the pre-sales stage, customers already have some idea of how the product works before they sign up for real, thus accelerating your customer success and retention process. Within the confines of a virtual hands-on training environment, the user's actions can't affect anything in the real world. This makes it the perfect place to try out some crazy scenarios to see what your software can do. As it's all safely contained, all you need to do is reset it once the session is done. In this video, we learned about hands-on training and the effectiveness of hands-on training for customer education. If you would like to learn more about CloudShare solutions, feel free to go to www.cloudshare.com today.